Most Mac and iOS users don't know this free AI transcription tool exists, probably because it was officially released a couple of days ago, but you can use it for free automatic transcription on your computer, dictation, and also editing text using AI. This is powered by Gemma 4 12B. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So about a few days ago, like 5 days ago, Google released something called Dictate and Edit Text via AI Edge Eloquent. It's new to Mac and it's also available on iOS, I think, as of a couple of months ago. Now, this is more or less like the free transcription app, but more or less coined towards dictation and editing text. It's powered by Gemma 4 12B and it allows you to have a free transcription app on your computer. So I don't have a Mac, but I'm just putting this out there for people with Mac or even iOS to kind of try it out. So they released a couple of things. Explore Gemma with Google AI Edge Gallery, but of importance to us is the Google AI Eloquent on-device voice dictation app is now available on macOS, and they added the ability to interactively polish and rewrite text through voice commands entirely on-device, powered by the new Gemma 4 12B model, which is really awesome. I've seen it in a couple of videos and it's doing a really good job. And I'm actually going to open this the developers page so that you can actually see. You can download for iOS or download for Mac, so which is really good. You speak naturally, express effectively, no cap. It's free, no cap, but it has a counter for you to see like how many words you speak, how much you've really used it for, and all that. It's premium AI voice dictation without subscription. So it's more or less going to kind of do a number on note-taking apps, that is for AI note-taking apps. Things like Whisperflow, Otter are really kind of going to suffer with this, more or less be put out of business. And you can see what happens. You record your ideas, Eloquent polishes them instantly. So it takes out the arms, the R's and everything. You can see that's the raw input. And there we go. That's the polished. Really good to see that right there. You can scroll down more or less of what else up there. Turn your thoughts into different text styles, which is okay. You can actually even get key points right there. You can see how fast your thoughts flow. So if you're typing, it's more or less 45 words per minute, and unless you're too good, 70 or even 100 for people who are up there. But when you speak, mostly we speak about 100 and something, like 110 to almost 140 words or 150 words per minute. Really depends on your speaking style. So you can use it and you can see how fast that actually does that. You can personalize with your unique vocabulary, and obviously you can download for iOS and Mac. Now, as I mentioned, it's more or less an app that most Mac users and iOS users don't know exist, but try it out. It's powered by Gemma 4 12B, and as a Windows user, I'm asking myself, when will we get this? And as for the FAQ, will Google AI Edge Eloquent be available on other platforms? Stay tuned. We are evaluating other platforms, including desktop, for tasks like dictating docs, code, and prompting to AI agents. I wish they give us this to Windows, and I don't think I've seen it on Android, so Google, what's going on? It's not on Android, or is it? Now, you can see how you can use it on your workflow and everything. And then you can see where is it available. It's available in English only. They are working on expanding the app. It's good to know. Does it support other languages than English? Yes. The app only officially supports English, while the system may occasionally transcribe words in other languages such as Hindi. This feature is not currently supported. The team is actively working on multilingual support for future releases. Good to know that. Is Google sign-in required? With your permission, Google AI Edge Eloquent can optionally access your workspace data, e.g. your Gmail, in order to generate a vocabulary list of unique words. This dictionary helps the model better understand your speech. Not really required, but you may do that if you want to kind of have some words in the dictionary or vocabulary right there. But that is Google AI Edge Eloquent, free for iOS and Mac. hopefully coming to Android and Windows in future releases. So now you know, go try it out. Thanks for watching.